Hello! In this video we are going to learn how to create new directories and how to delete empty directories. So right now if I go to my desktop, cd desktop, and then I do an ls, I'll find nothing here because as you can see my desktop is empty. Okay, what if I want to create a new directory on my desktop? That's pretty simple. All you need to do is just type mkdir. So mkdir is the command to create new directories, and then you specify your directory name here. So if I want to create a directory and I want to call it A, all you need to do is just type mkdir space A, and this will create directory A. So mkdir stands for make directory, and as you can see, the command name itself pretty much explains what it does. That's why the Linux commands are pretty easy to remember. Okay, so what if you want to create more than one directory? So that's also pretty simple. All you need to do is just separate the directory names by a space. So if you want, for example, to create directory name 1, directory name 2, directory name 3, and so on. So I'll create 3 more directories, B, C, and D, as you can see. And if I do an ls-l, I will find my 4 directories here, A, B, C, and D. Perfect. And okay, so that's for make directory. Now, what if you want to remove directory A, for example? As you can see, directory all these directories here are empty, of course. So what if you want to remove directory A? That's pretty simple. You just say rmdir and then you specify your directory name here. So I want to delete A, that's it. As you can see, now it's gone. So if I do an ls-l, as you can see, A does not appear here as it appeared before. And if you want to delete all those directories at once, you just do the same thing. So I want to delete B, C, and D, and yeah, and they are gone. Cool. So let's make another directory here, and I'll call it directory 1 on my desktop, and I want to create a file inside of directory 1 with my touch command. I'll call it file 1 or text 1. Okay, so if I do an ls directory 1, I can find text 1 here, as you can see. So right now my directory 1 is not empty. So if I try to remove it with my rmdir command, so rmdir stands for remove directory, as you may have guessed. Okay, so if I tried to execute the command, it will tell me failed to remove directory 1 or dir 1 because it was not empty. So that means that the command rmdir will only remove a directory if it is empty. If it is not empty, then it will not remove it. So let's make another directory and call it directory 2, for example, and maybe another one and call it directory 3. Okay, so right now on my desktop I have 3 directories, directory 1, directory 2, directory 3. But directory 1 is the only non-empty directory, and the other 2 are empty, of course, right? So what will happen if I said rmdir directory 1, directory 2, directory 3? So what would you expect? This will simply remove all the empty directories, and it will not remove any non-empty directory. So here we have 3 directories, right? Two of them are empty, one of them is non-empty. So if I execute this command, it will only delete directory 2 and 3 because they are empty, but it will not remove directory 1. Let's see. So I just hit enter, and as you can see, it removed directory 2 and directory 3, but it did not remove directory 1 because it was not empty. So yeah, so that's it for this video, and in the next video or so I will show you how to remove non-empty directories. Until then, ciao.